Benefits of jasmine tea. Jasmine tea is traditionally created by blending green tea leaves with jasmine blossoms. It first gained popularity in China during the Ming Dynasty and is also easily remembered due to its sweet aroma and also has health benefits. Jasmine tea has many nutritional benefits for our body, on top of having a distinct flavor enjoyed by many. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on the benefits of jasmine tea. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. The first benefit of jasmine tea: antioxidants. Jasmine tea contains polyphenols, which are plant-related compounds with many benefits for our health. Jasmine tea in particular contains catechins, flavonoids and tannins. Catechins are very powerful antioxidants that counteract the free radicals in our body, reducing aging and helping with cellular damage. Losing weight. By speeding up our metabolism while also providing antioxidants to support our immune system, jasmine tea increases fat burning thanks to its caffeine content and polyphenol content. Since jasmine tea is made from green tea as a base, it also has the same weight-reducing effect green tea has, making it also a good option to incorporate in your diet if your goal is related to weight loss. Have you already tried green tea? Drop a comment with your thoughts. Heart health. Its richness in polyphenols also makes jasmine tea good for improving your heart's health. The polyphenols found in green tea are shown to protect LDL, or the bad cholesterol, from oxidizing. That tends to raise our heart's risk of disease, but jasmine tea helps reduce that risk and also prevents our artery walls from sticking and forming plaque. Oral health. The catechins found in jasmine tea protect against tooth decay. Tooth decay or cavities happen in our mouths because of a plaque-forming bacteria that can erode our teeth's enamel. Jasmine works perfectly as both a mouthwash, reducing side effects such as bad breath, while also protecting our teeth from deteriorating. Prevent neurological diseases. Jasmine tea, as it's made from green tea, is high in the epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG polyphenol, which may protect against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. This is because EGCG improves our brain's defense and prevents it from harm. Proteins misfolding in our brain are linked to damaged brain nerves and a higher risk of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, but drinking jasmine tea lowers the risk by 35%. Protection against diabetes. Type 2 diabetes tends to be the most common type of diabetes, happening when our body cannot use insulin effectively to remove sugar from our blood and into our cells. Drinking jasmine tea can reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The EGCG polyphenol helps use our body's insulin more effectively and also reduces blood sugar levels. Protects against cancer. The antioxidants found in jasmine tea have cancer-fighting properties, especially EGCG. It helps reduce tumor size, stimulates cancer cell death, and suppresses growth and spread of cancer cells. Cognitive function. The caffeine content found in jasmine tea can boost brain function, which stimulates nerves by blocking the inhibitory neurotransmitter adenosine. This is good for enhancing brain activity and also improves mood by releasing serotonin and dopamine, which are linked with relaxation and a happier mood. Energy boosting. As jasmine tea uses green tea as a base, which naturally contains caffeine, it can help provide that needed energy boost for your morning routine without stressing you the same way drinking coffee does. Also, it has caffeine in small doses, so it's just enough to help you stay alert for your everyday tasks. Stress relief. On top of smelling great, which is linked to relaxation, the aroma of jasmine tea triggers parasympathetic responses in our body. This makes our body relax and unwind, while also keeping us alert and attentive for important tasks due to its caffeine content. Jasmine tea is easy to make and also has a great distinctive smell and many health benefits. We highly recommend incorporating it into your daily diet. We thank you for watching our video on jasmine tea's facts and benefits, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel Superfoods and share your experience or questions with us. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. And as always, thanks for watching.